Hey Spline gang, welcome back. Connor here. In this video, I'm going to show you a build of a California beach house that I've been working on recently. And I'm going to set it in super fast motion at about 40x speed. Really quick before we start, I've left a Gumroad link below where you can download this exact spline file from the video for free to experiment with and reverse engineer the design, or just use it to follow along. There are other Spline assets there, such as material libraries, mat caps, and other builds I've designed. Please like, subscribe, and comment your thoughts if you're a Spline user. You'll access almost 100 tutorials on how to achieve all that's possible in this program on my channel. This is an easy way to support me and encourage the future videos that are still to come. Now, let's get started. Alright, so here I'm starting off the build, just using shape tools and the Boolean to make all these shapes. No actual modeling in any of these shapes to start out with. Just building a deck, some stairs, a little pool, a hot tub, you know, typical Hollywood Hills, Miami, Florida party house. I used the glass material stack and some displacement to build the water in the pool. And those little glass clear yellowish columns, I used the cloner tool on a tall cylinder. Oh, here I am grabbing some models that I have saved, chairs and couches and stuff to put on the deck and all that good stuff. You know, I love using models and kits instead of having to make all this stuff myself. Kit bashing, as they call it. Making a little bar with a bar stool, more chairs and models that I got, you know, from CG Trader and Turbo Squid. To get the water effect on the pool, I kind of had to round off the square and then add the displacement layer, because displacement doesn't really do very well on flat shapes. It tends to do a lot better on curved, rounded faces for whatever reason. So that's how I got this kind of watery look. Put some black and white tiles on the bottom of the pool using the pattern material. And then I added some movement and two states to the water so it actually ripples and down, as you can see with the little Pokeball inflatable that I put there. Using more cylinders here and adding them using the cloner tool to the house, making some little supports. And again, very little actual modeling is used. I just use a lot of the shape builder tools, adjust the properties, and you know, use the Boolean subtraction and addition tool. I'm doing a little bit of modeling for this shape right here just to extend certain planes and that kind of stuff. Copying and pasting, you know, different parts of the houses to reuse. Just a lot of rectangles and squares, really. You know, making sure they're all at 180 or 90 degree angles and just stacking them up, kind of giving the modern, almost Adobe looking, you know, Barbie funhouse kind of style. Yeah, so this is Skybox by Blockade Labs, where you can download dimensions. There I'm downloading models from CD Trader. That Skybox lab is great for using on backgrounds. You can set it as the inside of a sphere and then put your entire model inside a sphere, which I tried out here. I didn't really get it looking very good, but it's a good effect and a good tool to know. And if you get it looking good, you can really make a cool scene out of it. So I ended up deciding not to use that in the end, but yeah, adding more models, little pool floaty, messing around with the movement of the waves and stuff like that. Build a hot tub with like a little bit more white water. Adding plants, again, more models. I animated some spotlights to put on the deck and inside the house. Used the Boolean tool with a little cylinder to build a little boat window on the side with some glass in it. So you can see the light shining through and all that fun stuff. You can see the water rippling out the side of the pool because it's a little too wide. You know, same effect in the hot tub as I used in the pool. Just added some white layers and some noise to give it that kind of bubbly look. And yeah, I'm not done with this apartment yet, still building it, but I thought you guys would enjoy the progress I've made so far. If you like these kind of videos, let me know. Please like and subscribe if you're a Spline user, and check back because I'll be recording the second half while I'm building this and finishing this apartment. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Take it easy.